Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people?
This is a Homage beat.
Dreamwise here for a quick one. Potential agent to your light. Your friends, family members, co-workers are agents. I don't care how friendly they are or how cool they might seem. They are agents to your light. They want you to stay the good old Joe Schmo like you always been. They are comfortable with the way you were or the way they want you to be. Don't tell these people shit, as they will not understand or get the message. They can't hear you. It's too deep or it's just not for them. Now, they're not gonna hurt you maliciously. Remember, they're under mind control and their subconscious mind is running the show. Their subconscious is in an eternal fight with your subconscious. So don't be telling people about all the jewels you learned and that Jesus ain't real. I don't care how much your ego is boiling you. Hold your tongue. You're proving or arguing with the agent turns you into an agent. It's putting them in the driver's seat. Yeah, think you won the argument, but you really lost. You stooped down to their level humanity. Be the observer and look deep at your people and have compassion or understanding of what they're going through. Never explain yourself on why you're not doing this or why you're not doing that. Just let them boil in their misery that they can't control you. You can't put us in a box. You think it's an accident you don't have no friends? No, your light is too bright, and when you're shining too hard for them, they can't see you. Every now and then, give somebody the business, but make sure you're controlling the show. I mean, you're only human, right? Dream wise.